Sarah and Luke, you have created a genuine slice of paradise here. Did it always look this good?
No, so when we first moved here, it was an unrenovated home, and it was just a single brick veneer that was built in probably the early 80s, and in the last 12 to 18 months we've renovated it. When we first arrived here, there was such a great natural landscape. It was surrounded by trees and a little paddock at the back, and basically for every room that we have here, we just wanted to open it up and be able to see all of that.
You guys have a lovely home and it's very big and spacious. So does it cost a lot to heat and cool this place?
Yeah, we've obviously got the fireplace for some heating in winter, but it takes some time to stoke the fire. So we put in, when we renovated, ducted air conditioning across the entire house. That runs in winter here a lot. So we spend about $800 to $1,000 a quarter on our energy. We put solar on not long after we got here, which reduced our energy usage considerably. You can probably see behind us, we put on 34 Hyundai solar panels and wiped out our bill entirely, which is awesome.
That is a sexy looking panel.
The black panels have now been around for a while. It's the first time Hyundai's brought one out, and we just loved how it looked. We're very conscious of the aesthetics of the house, so that's why we went with it. We could have put a 6.6 system on, which is what most people would do. That would have wiped out about half of our power bill. So we went over double to go a larger system, cover our power usage, and give us a refund as well.
Well, you've both done such an incredible job. Thank you so much for showing Mel and I around. All the best with it.
Awesome. Thank you for
you
coming.
guys.